So op-amp schematic symbol consists two input terminals, one output terminal, and two power supply pins. Here this is one input terminal. It is represented with the plus symbol. It is simply known as non-inverting terminal. And this is another another input terminal. This is represented with the minus symbol. This terminal is simply known as inverting terminal. So one input terminal is non-inverting terminal, another input terminal is non-inverting terminal. And next, two power supply pins. One is a positive power supply pin, another one is negative power supply pin. These are also represented as VCC and VEE. Next, one output terminal, Vout. The schematic symbol consists two inputs and one output. And for simplicity, power supply connections are omitted. We may represent or we may not represent, just like input 1, input 2, like that, just like V1, V2. The input differential amplifier stage of the operational amplifier is designed to be operated in the differential mode. The differential inputs are designed by the plus and minus notations. The plus input is the non-inverting input. An AC signal or DC signal is applied to this input. Then it produces an in phase, that is a same polarity signal at the output. The minus input is the inverting input because an AC signal or DC is applied to this input, then produces an 180 degrees, that is out of phase or opposite sign signal at the output. Next, the inputs are may represented as V plus or V1, that is non-inverting terminal. Voltage, here V1 represents voltage at the non-inverting input, which is in volts, and V minus or V2, it is the voltage at the inverting input, which is in volts, and V out or VO simply, this is the output voltage, which is in volts. And capital A represents open loop voltage gain, and A equal to capital A equal to VD divided by VO, and where VD is the difference of two input signals, that is V2 minus V1.